Hello everybody and welcome back to Owens Studio, and today we'll be designing a website for these virtual reality headsets. So I have an image from Unsplash which you can get if you just type in virtual reality on Unsplash. You can just get the image. He should be there. If he isn't, then maybe you can try look for another image. It'd be better if it was sort of like this image, with the sort of style of image it was, with the kind of dark texture on it. Whereas for a light one might not be so good in this design. Okay, so now we're just gonna mask this man. So we're just gonna keep going around his body, just keep going up him. Okay, control shift, keep on till we get to the other end. Okay, okay. Going up. Okay, just going up his head. Should almost, well, the positive side we're almost done. Yeah, just okay. Just going around. Get in and shift. Well, now we're just coming down his headset. Okay. Okay. Just keep moving up there. Now we're coming down, which means we should almost be done. Okay. Go. Down. Now we're going up his hand. Okay, to the side. Okay, now we're going down again. This is a long process, one of the longest process in designs, but in the end of the day, it's gonna end up worth it. Okay. Bring it down. Okay. Down. Don't get impatient and try to rush it, or your mask will end up a messy mask. You don't really want a messy mask. I mean, that we're done. Zoom out, and then we click on the fill here to get it filled. Take the border away. Maybe we can copy this image, so we'll just hold and drag it there. Right click and we'll mask with shape. So now we have our man. We'll make him slightly bigger, and then we'll flip him to be looking this way. Bring him down and to the side. There we are. There. Who's that? Maybe make him bigger. Then we're gonna make a square on the background. Send it to the back. Zoom. Okay, now we flip that and put that there. And we just select on this, the square we've made, select on the color, and make it a gradient. And we'll drag the lighter piece down here, although it doesn't actually matter. And we'll change them to a blue. So this one will be a dark blue. Let's push it in a little more. This one over here, Could stay white, or we could make it a light blue, which I prefer a light blue. Maybe this one should get a little darker, like that. That's good. Seems good to me. Then we're gonna make some navigation on top here. Now we're gonna need to get an icon of a cart. So I have an icon of a cart. We're just gonna take it over to Adobe Illustrator so we can trace it. Okay, we're gonna paste it in there. Select on our image trace, and there, traced it. Now we click Object, Expand. We ungroup it, and I don't actually want these to be there, so we're just gonna select on all of it. Just delete that. Just select, whoopsie, delete in there too. Select on this and make it all that color, and then we'll smash them. So now it's just like one thing, and then we'll take it back over to Adobe XD. Okay, we're gonna paste this in, and we'll make it white, and we'll make it smaller. And we'll put it up in the corner, but we'll get the text tool and we'll write navigation. Okay, right home. Right. And you could write more. We'll delete these extra ones, put them in order. Select on all of them, and we'll just line them on a straight line. Give them their space and make them smaller. Let's try 16. Oopsie, 16. Let's make them white. Then drag them on, and there. They look good to me. Group them, line them into the center, and our little bag right here, we'll make that smaller. We'll just lock that and make that smaller. Okay, now we'll align this. We'll bring this into it, so it's not in the middle. We'll push it right against, zoom in, you can see, and then we'll go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. We'll select on that and push this all the way to the wall of this. This will go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 2. So we'll make this more. So 5 more. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Let's select on those. We'll go like that. 6. So let's bring these up. Let's measure that. 1, 2, 3, 4. And we'll zoom out. And we're gonna need some sort of logo. Okay, so this is a logo that I got from a website called FreePic. So we're just going to remove this brick background because we won't really want it, and ungroup this, and we'll just remove all these shadows and glowy things like that. There, we'll copy it and bring it into XD. Paste. We'll just see, zoom in, select on it, and we'll just take it over to here. We'll make it smaller. What? Down shift. Oh, make it smaller. Up. To the side. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Just like that. We'll bring this up. 1, 2, 3. Just like. And this is starting to take shape. Just gonna add a few more features. Let's bring this further, closer. Also, this needs to come closer. Definitely think this should now be aligned into the middle, like that. Well, not so like that. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, and we also need to give it a name. So let's just get virtual reality. Just okay, select on the text and just type virtual reality. We'll bring it next to our logo. And 1, 2, 3. Okay, now here we'll put text over here. So first we're gonna hold down Alt and copy this. Okay, so we'll just write VR headset okay display. There we are. Down place it with 4. We'll change the font to BBass, like that. Make it bigger. Delete that. Just enter. Copy this. And we'll get some lorem and ipsum to replace that. And yes, just get both to Google. Just get any lorem and ipsum text. Just copy it. Back to XD. We'll paste it in. And we'll press enter. Just like that. Let's remove this enter. Put a space. Like that. We'll bring this up. 1, 2, 3. And we'll put a ruler here. We'll bring this up to that height. Then we'll put the price of this headset, which let's just say it's 143. So let's just type 133. Zoom in just to get a better view. Just like that. Okay, so just make that bigger. Zoom out a little. Put that up. Just bring that there for the money. And then just drag it up. Okay, and we push it up. And we hold down shift, go 1, 2, 3, shift, bring that up, and then go 1, 2, 3. Then we select on the rectangle tool, make a rectangle, and then we'll select the circle and we'll write basically make the square round. Bring that up, and we'll come 1, 2, 3. Then we'll change the color of this to dark blue, and we'll take the border away, and we'll copy this and we'll bring it to the front, and we'll type buy now. Buy now. And then we'll center into the middle. We'll zoom in and make a circle. Make sure you hold down shift. And we'll also that into the middle. We'll take the border away from that too. We'll select the pen tool and make, oopsie, let the pen tool make a line in the middle of that twice, and we'll change its color into that. Copy and paste, flip that. Nope, need equal to 2, so just type 90 there. Then select that and that, group that, and we'll center it into the middle. Group that, center that and that. Okay, so then we'll zoom out and we'll select our whole button, group it, and make that whole smaller. Ungroup that and select this, make this smaller, push it to the side, in the middle, just group that, make this smaller. Okay, push it to the beginning there. When you see that line, that's when you can stop. Bring it to the top, you go 1, 2, 3 down. Erase this. Now, okay, so now I have some 2 more images of two. I don't know what's going on. Okay, don't really know what happened. We just have these 2 images. What we do is we make this smaller, and we'll select from this and make this one also smaller. And we're just gonna put them there for now until I set up where they will stay. Okay, so we make a square over here, and we will put that square right there. Then we'll copy and paste the square, and we'll bring it right to the edge of this, touching it. Then we'll go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 pieces away. We'll round the edges of both of them by just selecting them and typing inside here. Let's say 30%. Let's start with 20 to see how that acts good. Maybe let's make this smaller. Delete that. Copy paste. Bring it in. Move touching. One, 2, 3, 4, 5. Selecting on them. Move the border away. We'll select them both. Go into the wall. And we'll 1. Okay. Then what we'll do is we'll copy this button over here. So copy, hold down Alt and drag it. There we have that button now. Hold down Alt and drag this to bring that to the front. Change its color to this. And maybe instead of it being regular, we'll make it semi-bold in order to just thicken it up a little bit. Wow. Okay, then we drag our image on and we'll make it smaller to fit the box. We'll put it right there and we'll bring this down. We'll put this there to be rotate this one little piece this way, just like that. Nope, get that to 0. That's like that. Bring it here and we'll put the price underneath it and we'll copy this. So let's hold down Alt and drag. We'll change the color dark like that. Make it smaller. Make this smaller too. And bring this up. The price not where this will be, so we just push that there and bring this up here. And obviously this is too big, so we'll just change it to just that piece there, nice and small. Maybe we can make it a little bigger now. Nope, don't. Change the text size to 25, like that. Maybe a little bigger. Let's just try 30. We'll bring it in. And let's change this text size to 25. Well, that was 24 in fact, but that's okay. Make this bigger. And we'll push this one down to there. Just have to sort everything out. That. Then we'll ungroup this. And we'll delete that. We'll change this color to our color here. And inside it, ungroup it. Off that. And we'll change that to white. And group our thing. We'll bring it, make it bigger. And we'll bring it more bigger. Okay, and we'll make our these, just try 40 on this, make this bigger, not bigger, bring it up into the side. Nope, not like that, just the normal version. Just bring it like there. We'll bring this right down there. Just enlarging this, bring this up here. It's really stressful setting up. Bring this down to there. Bring this less than 40. Let's try 35. Okay, let's change this. We'll move that and move that. We'll delete that and then delete that and delete that. Stretch this out. Come over here, select on this. We'll change this to 0. Enter that. and this to 0, and enter that too. And get we'll change it to background blur. Let's try the amount in the blur. The background, you can't really see really what's going on, so we'll just leave it like that. Bring these two in, make them smaller. Might need a little bit more images, so what we're gonna do, just gonna try get another image. So it's just okay, let's get another image. Okay, so I got some new images because okay, we got some new images because the last ones weren't doing much. So just make these smaller. I'm gonna make this one smaller as well as this one. Don't need to duplicate it. So do Shift Alt and drag and drag and drag in there. What we do is we select all of them and we just align them, give them equal space. What we do is we bring this one here and there, and then we bring this one here and this one here. Let's just give them some space, just like that. We make a line like this, line it into the middle, and make another line over here. These will all be given space. Okay, this is going good so far. We will add one of these, just like put it there, copy and paste, push, like this, copy and paste. Okay, I'm just gonna make this super smaller like that. And we'll just group that and center it into the middle. Select these two and we'll give them 50% transparency. Let's see how that will look. Maybe just turn them white and give this to 20. It's looking better. Shift and just hold these two. And we'll change this to 0.1, just like that. And we'll bring the transparency up to 50, just like that. Or let's go higher, maybe to 80. See how that is. Let's select on this background blur and see the brightness. We'll take the brightness down to there. And that is looking way better. You don't need that. And here is your design for virtual reality headsets. Don't forget to subscribe, like this video, and comment in the comment section below what you think. And see you in the next video.